So yeah, this is hopefully this machine will get you guys out of the door at the end of the day a little bit quicker. You don't have to do the repetitive folding of stuff.
Alright, sounds good.
Oh, my name is Coron. Nice to meet you, by the way. The unit is pretty simple. There are two switches on the back. When you're not using it, you can just unplug it. Okay. One is power on, 0 is power off. Okay. Has two functions: the power switch, and then this is the bagger switch. Okay. Do you have a couple shirts we could try?
Yeah. You want to grab?
Yeah, hopefully this fits. I know I had to
order a couple
different
different size.
Usually I'll order it a little bit longer so it goes in it. So you basically just want to put it up to the arm. Like that. If the shirt is a little bit longer, with this one you'll have to do the In terms of warranty, we have a 1 year and I'm local in New York, so if you ever have any problems, you have my number, just give me a call.
Where in New York are you located?
Oh, in the Bronx.
So just give the sleeves a little fold?
Yeah, I think if it's hanging over, if it ever fails like this, I'll try to make it not work right now. We'll see what happens. But if they're too long like this, if you actuate it and it doesn't go over, you can just unfold it and put it in. See like how it didn't do that, so you see over. Hey, good afternoon, guys. So yeah, and if it's too long, let's just flip it up that way.
And what other things shouldn't you do with it?
I wouldn't put anything too heavy on top of it if you're not using it. You don't want to bend this. This is probably be used as a consumable, viewed as a consumable. If you're folding it and the rubber band breaks, it's pretty simple to change it. Oh, Corey, if you want to go on this side, go through here. And you just want to do this when the power is off, and then that's it, just to replace it. Once you replace it, you just flip the switch back on, and then it will pop back up, and you're all set to go again.
Do the rubber bands, they obviously break.
Yeah.
I mean,
Probably should be bigger bag, but
And then, like again, it's just two switches. If you want to make it so, if you ever just not want a bag, just fold. Just do that.
You say if there's two buttons on either side, you have to press them both.
No, you can either or. So you can do one or that. It's the bigger industrial machines have you push them down, but
for the air.
Thank you guys so much. I'm glad I was able to come out here and show it to you guys. If it's okay if I could put this on social media so people know that it's actually a real product, because all the videos that I have are like just in my shop. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Matt?
No instructions needed.
Yeah, really. I just started shipping them with the little notes and stuff, and this video is going to be for all the out-of-state people. So
you basically you don't want it to be hanging off.
Hanging off, yeah. Perfect on the first one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.